Okay, let's talk about CryptoMines Reborn, CRUX token. CRUX sticker currently priced at $30.38. Let me know what the price is when you're watching the video. Is it up or down from this point? The volume is very interesting at 22 million in last 24 hours. We were in the green for the European session today, and you can currently buy it on PancakeSwap. Hopefully they list the token on MEXC because it's the best exchange to buy altcoins at, and they are actually giving you a free test one. Yeah, for some of you, if you win the prize, there's a link for that in the description down below. You want to sign up. Before we start, all we have to do is smash the like button, or I'll smash you subscribe, because I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. If you do that, I upload a lot of these videos every single day with all the hottest tokens in the stratosphere. If you want to learn that, hit the subscribe button. Let's talk about the CryptoMines project. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. Love that. I'm a fan. And yeah, mint NFTs, explore price, earn dark matter. I would be interested. I will be analyzing this game a lot more. By the way, just full disclosure here, right at the start of the video, if you want to see more from this, all you have to do is give this video a like. I need 20 likes, and you can comment down below, I want to see more CryptoMines videos. I will be analyzing the white paper, checking for all the odds I can find, and we can actually start that right here. So, made with love by a group of passionate gamers and blockchain lovers, copyright 2022. So I want to start with the white paper. I want to understand what odds do you have, what does the game work, how does the game work. It seems like EVE Online, we've seen a lot of Galaxy games being trending. I will zoom in a little bit so you can see a better. CryptoMines Reborn is an NFT game achieved with the effort and attention to detail necessary to provide its users with a long-term NFT play-to-earn game, which will allow all players to have a fun and entertaining experience while improving their accounts and collections of hangars, workers, spaceships, and fleets in order to safely traverse our galaxy. The main goal of Reborn is the search of dark matter. This is probably going to be so you can mint spaceships and workers. We've seen that with the Squid Game, which is very popular right now, #1 trending on the app. Do we have CryptoMines yet? No. Yeah, it's pretty much the same today. We've talked about pretty much all of these games already. So let's continue with CryptoMines. With the white paper, you can basically, in order to participate, you must acquire the NFTs. You have spaceships, workers, fuse both workers and spaceships into fleets to acquire them directly through the marketplace, or acquire them. When using dark matter in-game, the unclaimed dark matter will always be used first. That's interesting. So you have spaceships, and there's odds for that will calculate. Spaceships are necessary to be able to travel through the different galaxies, collecting all the dark matter you can get your hands on. These spaceships must be minted through a loot box system where we open, they will have different rarities. That's really cool. And different percentages of difficulties to obtain these rarities. I love that. This is the best. I will calculate all the odds and the profitability. Make sure you watch the video until the end. It's going to be a very valuable video. Each fleet has a maximum of 10 spaceships inside of it. This means the maximum amount of workers inside the fleet is 50. If you have the 5-star rarity one. So the cost of acquiring spaceship box is 50 dark matter. So we'll make a spreadsheet right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we're making the spreadsheet, and the first thing we need in our calculation is the rarity system. So each spaceship basically costs, there's a 5% chance, a 10%. So starting with 1 star, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 5 star. The first star will require, there's a 44% chance. 0.26 for the second star. Then we're going for 15%, 10%, 5%. 50% 10%, 5%. Should be 100% total. Okay, great. That's the first thing we need. And now I want to see the, then we have the space workers. They have a better rarity system. 36, 26, we'll calculate that as well. 36, we'll have it here. 0.36, 0.26%. No, yeah, 36, 25, 18. So that's 25. That's 18%. I want to see how profitable it is to actually mint these, so I know if my team will be minting those. 18, 13, 80, 13% and 8%. 13%, 0.08%. Okay, great. We have that established. Dark matter, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Then we have fleets. Yeah, 100% repaired. And workers cost 50 dark matter as well. Okay, so that's good. Now what we want to do is we want to close that. We want to go here. And we want to go to the marketplace. So clicking Plink. Game will be released soon. DM exchange. Okay, hopefully. Exchange CryptoMines. No, where is it? We're calculating odds. Legacy game. Play CryptoMines. I'm gonna sign in. Vote for changes to. You need to approve the eternal contract. Wait. I want to see the prices of everything. Okay, confirming that. 14 cents. The spaceships are filter. Okay, come on. They're charging me another 13 cents. 14 cents? Okay. I'm doing this so you don't have to filter by level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So spaceship 1, how much do they cost? This costs. What's going on? Keep spending money for fees. These cost 1 eternal. If this charged me over 10 times so far. If this charges me one more time, I'm gonna close the website. I'm telling you. 1 eternal is not it. You need to approve. I did approve it. Stop saying that. I'm not gonna be spending any money if this continues. By the way, they charged me like 10 times already. STS resolution. So the first one, I obviously need eternal for these. And something that I've noticed is here's the server 1 eternal. So basically the first level are around 1 eternal, the second level are around 0.9. That's very cheap. So all of them are very cheap. 0.9. So the price is around 1 eternal, 0.9 eternal, which is weird. And we also have to find the fees. Then we have level 3, which is 1.4 eternal. Then we have 1.5 and 20. Okay, 1.4, 1.5. Now type 19 because of obviously undercutting. And the game is CryptoMines. So I have that spreadsheet in. So I basically want to see if I can make my money back without the fees. But just calculating all of this. Odds multiplied by price. And then the average I can get in expected value, D1 to D5. Yeah, that's very wrong. So that should be better. I should be getting around 2 eternal, right? 2 Eternal. What was the cost for Eternal? It was what was the cost for the Eternal token? And that's also without the fees, which we need to see what are the market fees. Should be under marketplace. Distribution, dark matter, token information. Oh, we also need the token information for the IDs, because there's a bunch of tokens. We have CRUX, but we have other tokens that I can't find. Sustainability, rewards, exchange, maybe it's under the exchange now. Clash, wallet. If anyone knows, please tell me, because I want to learn a little bit more. Maybe this is for the Reborn version and the other version is better. I don't know. Let me know. I need to figure out a few things. I will be playing this game. I need a little bit more information. I'll do more research, and I can do a follow-up video if you just let me know in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.